What's up, guys? Saturday. I'm using the Endless Shine Blizzard. This is actually my favorite soap, and I have a whole cabinet full of different soaps. This stuff foams amazing. The dilution goes a long way on this. So I have 700 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of this soap. This is the third time I filled it up approximately. So I'm gonna show you how thick the foam is. The foam cannon is on max dilution. I'm using a Kranzel right now, so it's 2 gallons a minute. This is how thick this is. That is very, very good foam. Thick, very lubricated.